Oh, okay, you can take it.
Have you seen monkey swim before?
You open it. One moment. He opened his self. I said.
Capybara. Capybara.
Why?
No, that's good. Yes, get it.
Look, this one. Mind you don't take the fruit.
Where's your banana?
Oh, nice.
They're quite gentle, aren't they?
Yeah, he do it very well.
He eat a lot.
Ah.
Okay, guys, on my left. The monkey's on my left now.
Oh.
Okay, it's more clear.
Watch those banana peels. Boom.
Wow, swimming.
Having fun here.
Look at that monkey swimming.
Oh, a lot of them. Absolutely, on swimming now. Oh, and little baby.
You okay?
I'm very happy. Banana, lemon, lemon. That's nature. See that? The monkey will die.
潜水，我的天！我让它游过来。
Already уже. Already on boat. come to beautiful restaurant. Nice. And go have lunch now.
Stingray over here. I just only have one stingray side, and also we give them all the stingray. Usually we give them for them is
Yeah, you want to try one?
and now we give us
Want to try one?
But 200 rands.
200 ringgit.
Yeah, 200.
这边2是这样。
I recommend everybody back in the restaurant for your lunch order. Okay, toilet behind on the left. Okay, now please don't go anywhere without this person. He will share. He will show you all the things. Mr. Fish. Stick with this guy. He'll show you everything. I have met you back here.
Alright, hello guys. Now, come on, like, first inside actually I want to show you we have a stingray. Actually like a stingray over here. I also just only have one stingray inside. And I give name, the gift name for this stingray is Ali. Actually how we give name for the stingray? Because he also this name for the male or this female. I think you guys just look from the tail. For the tail, the stingray actually have a spine. They have two spines is male, and one is a female. Now I will show you how to call Ali. But I'm not very sure as girl is full already. So in the morning, this fish just eat all the time, right? And now you want to call it, make sure you need to shake the water. You're going to shake the water to give the sound for a stingray. See? I didn't. He don't like me now. Ali, come on. No, he tried calling it. It's okay. I think let me give you guys try to call it maybe. You guys also want to try the feeding? Come on.
Yeah.
Yep. Oh yeah? Let me ask you guys, I think you already know. They just not stop the feeder.
Very nice.
I think your hand can touch the water. You need your hand can touch the water. Yeah, I think you can like.
它拨走了，
Yeah, that's good.
你要俾佢咬啊下點算啊？我好怕。哦，跌啦 ，fell down， 跌啦，我就吸引佢。哦，它來了。
I think no.
好夠長啊隻手。
Calling it. You don't have teeth, you just only gum. Did we eat also did we just swallow?
你要試試嗎？是啊，尷不尬？哦。
Good? Are you guys all done?
你去帶爸 B 去，我同你影個視頻。你放低佢先，等陣你排咗。
Just make sure you just put can water.
She's gonna fall
I
down.
think you can see like this maybe. See like this. It's more easy for you.
嚟 B B 過嚟，過嚟媽咪度，等爸 B 試試，爸 B 又嚟試試。
Again. Call again.
我喺海嗰度啊。
Ollie.
阿哩，
Yeah, right up.
佢在這兒。佢嚟啦，哦。
I think the real name we don't call it sea bass. The real name we call it is a barramundi for now. But or the nickname we just call it sea bass. Or the sea bass, actually this fish also they're very good for eating. But it's not like from the big size like we know from the small one, because this fish that grow more bigger, that's not good for eating. Maybe the meat that's more very hot. Actually like a sea bass over here, I also have a two color inside. I have a silver and the black color. Actually, this type, and Langkawi also we don't have more. Yeah, I think we just have is around 43. Yeah, that's why that's very cool. I'm just sorry now, but all our fish here, I think that's full already. Because in the morning, also they have too many crew already caught. That's why we just feed all the time for them. I'm just sorry. But it's okay. Maybe you guys come on. Let me show you guys red snapper from the side. I And here guys, actually we're gonna try to show you. I have a red snapper. On the snapper over here, this fish is more very aggressive fish we have, and the fish from over here also. I think like you guys will try to put your 5 finger. I think 5 finger you just see bye from here. I'll try to plug it. No! And I have a 2 color inside. Actually we have a golden or the red color. You guys see that golden one we just call it golden snapper. You know the red one we just call it as a red snapper. But actually this fish also sometimes they can jump. We can jump up and also around 1 or 2 meters. And this fish that we can bite everything and drop in the water. I think everything you guys will try to throw, like your camera, your sunglasses, your camera over here, I think they will try to bite. Yeah. I think that this one just stay hungry now. And the snapper, like we know this fish grow more bigger, that's more good for eating. Because this fish that grow more bigger, the more tasty or they have a soft meat. Come on. Yeah, we know this also full already. Just okay guys, now let's go. Let me show you guys. I don't know that we don't see that.
It's crepes. Sea bug.
Lady guys, actually I want to show you we have a horseshoe crab. Actually, how we're gonna call his a horseshoe. You're gonna see that the shell that have the looks in like a horseshoe, and then they will make shell like the crab. That's why we're gonna call him is a horseshoe crab. But actually, like we know that's not like a family from the crab. Actually, this is a family from the spider. It's all we call is a horseshoe crab for them. You're gonna see that this one is a mouth. You're gonna eat things from here. They also got teeth, but not very hard to sharp teeth. You will try put your finger in the mouth here. They will try to massage your finger. Yeah. And this one is the eye from the top, and also they have a tail. But you don't have the poison and the tail. But you want to hold the horseshoe crab. I think you guys don't try to hold the tail down, because you guys try to mash hold the tail down. I think you guys gonna kill them. Maybe you want to hold that. I think you just hold from the body. But let me show you guys. You know that we cannot try to massage you here, so like you guys try to go to the toilet, before try to massage you right. This one we call